guys, welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today we've got a lovely 70 plate X3M competition in Donington Grey. What a colour, especially underneath the lights. It's really popping. It's the first time I've seen a Donington Grey X3M. It does look good. So today it's in for a full carbon kit. So this is from MHC, full 2x2 weave, so exactly same as an OEM part, in pre-preg carbon. So we've got front lip, we've got this diffuser here, which is nice, you know, not too aggressive, but just enough. I think it's good for an SUV, not to go too crazy, and a full-length side skirt as well. So that'll be going on. We'll actually pair it up with some nice 12mm spacers just to widen up the car, and then we'll see this car in a couple of weeks' time again for some H&R Springs. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Keep an eye on our socials as well. We really enjoy doing the X3M platform and the X4M. So yeah, keep an eye, enjoy the video. All the best. What's happening, guys? I don't know if you can see, but I've had a fresh trim. So yeah, X3M's now done. We've been crazy busy this afternoon, so we just got it smashed out. We'll walk you around kind of how it's been fitted and kind of the key areas. So this is the front lip. As you can see, it kind of doesn't wrap around the bumper at all. So that, how I mean is, just doesn't go over this area. It's all from the underneath. I kind of call it like a low line kind of style. So it wraps around. It's a mixture of 3M tape to keep it nice and tight in these areas, and then we utilize the OE fixings on the back side and some new fixing points in this area to get it nice and tight to the bumper, because the original fixings are about, let's say, even almost a hand's width back to the inside of the car in the car. So it's key that we get a good fixing point for the front lip on a big car like this. So yeah, it was nice and easy to fit. It is a really clean fit as well, which is really nice. And the carbon just looks nice and deep. Nice deep black is what we want. Side skirts, these are really cool. So this is not like your traditional side skirt where you just fix it onto the bottom and into here. This unit actually goes over the existing unit. It's pre-applied 3M tape all the way along the bottom, and then we just drill in some nice self-tapper screws. And the reason behind just using self-tappers and no OE fixings is there's no OE fixings down there to utilize. So yeah, we've done that. That's really cool. I think it looks really good, and the fit and finish on it, if I don't say so myself, it looks bang on. So it's really good, you know, for a cost-effective option for these cars. The MHC kit is really good, and the carbon weave, obviously, as you can tell, is beautiful. Coming on to diffuser. Diffuser is actually the hardest, funny enough, as it normally is. We have to remove the original, as well as the original has an area here, which is like a honeycomb design. So it's just a way of getting in there, get your fingers in, kind of work the old diffuser out. Just be really careful with the clips. Fit the new diffuser. It comes with pre-applied 3M tape down the sides here, and it utilizes the original fixings, all pre-drilled. And then, so you just, first step, kind of take the 3M tape off either side, fit the diffuser in the center, get it all clipped in. The clips do work really well. And then pull in the sides in this area. What we do is just pull this nice and tight. That pulls the diffuser tight into the clips, fix it up, and the finish, you just can't fault it. It's like, one thing I always look for in an aftermarket kit, when my guys fit them, is just where it finishes on the arch liner, for example. It's just the details that we take in. So look, you can see that nice and fit, you know, clean finish all the way along, and then nice and tight there. No overhang, not too short. So yeah, overall, really pleased with the kit from MHC, and the car looks great, and I'm sure the customer's gonna really enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll get some shots now over across the road from the unit, and we'll go from there. Well, guys, take care, enjoy the video, and see you on the other side.